Hello everyone, welcome to the club of fearless speakers. Today's topic is also we are going to learn today also speed reading rules. Okay?
Okay, again today also our topic is speed reading rules. See, speed reading is always so don't try to read like a robo, but try to improve your skill of reading or fast reading as fast as possible without getting strained. So that always helps, right? So in that process only, eliminate sub vocalization, right? So eliminate sub vocalization means so don't try to pronounce it while reading. So just try to read them uh, calmly in your mind. So that will help you to read faster. So when you start reading out, when you start reading aloud, so that will make you read less number of words in a minute. So that's why try to avoid this sub vocalization. And next thing is focus on keywords. When you look at a page or when you look at the paragraph, so try to focus on the keywords. So initially it may be difficult, but once you practice it, it will become easy. Because while skimming and scanning, you focus on the main word so that you will just move, and then it becomes like a habit so that you can read faster and you can understand better, because that understanding can be improved only by focusing on keywords. Sometimes in few books they also bold it, they change the font, depends, right? And the last and final one, use a pacer, as we discussed already. Like you try to use some pointer, finger, or any one object so that you will move along the line, so that your eyes also will move faster along it, so that you can read faster. So these are very simple things, we knew it, but when you follow it, when you try to make them practice every time, then it will improve your reading, which will help you to save time in your academics or in reading more number of books. Because see, as I told you, like many people will read more and more books to gain more and more knowledge to become successful in their life, and many successful people have the habit of reading. So that is what, and now it's time to enter into our daily routine.
So the first one is motivational quote of the day. Today's quote is see exams not as threats but as challenges that bring out the best in you. Embrace the pressure and let it propel you towards excellence. Yes, this is today's quote. Next word of the day. Today's word is limit. Synonym is restriction. The team performed to the limit of its capabilities. This is the example for this word. Next, math of the day. Today's math question is, in a group of 24 students, 1 by 3 prefer pizza and the rest like burgers. So how many students like burgers? So read it, understand it and solve this easy question. Let's practice twisting with tongue twister. Today's tongue twister is an audacious astronomer avidly analyzed astronomical anomalies and ancient artifacts. Yes, repeat it more times. An audacious astronomer avidly analyzed astronomical anomalies and ancient artifacts. An audacious astronomer avidly analyzed astronomical anomalies and ancient artifacts. An audacious astronomer avidly analyzed astronomical anomalies and ancient artifacts. Yes, repeat it more times. Next, riddle of the day. Today's riddle is the person who makes it, sell it. The person who buys it, never use it. The person who uses it never knows they are using it. Okay, so what is it? Please read this riddle and unlock it. Next, jumbled word of the day. Today's jumbling word is TENT ELA. Okay, synonym is eventual and antonym is manifest. Yes, please unscramble these jambling words.
Now it's all about speech of the day. And the speech is all about water and backwater. So we know that water is very essential in our life. So but what exactly you have to write is water exists in rivers, ocean, lakes, everywhere, right? So try to write down few sentences on that particular topic like water. And what exactly backwater is, the water in the sea and the water in the river, they'll meet at one point and the water in the sea will come back and form like lake. So sea water adjacent to it forms like a backwater, means from the sea it will come back. That's why we call it as backwater. Generally in Kerala there are a lot of backwater boating will be there, houseboat. So very nice place. So try to understand, try to make some sentences on the same thing. If possible, go to Kerala and enjoy the trip. So that's what all about water and backwater. The next thing is fantastic conversation of the day. It's all about conversation between doctor and patient. So when a patient visit a doctor, then what kind of conversation happens? So try to make your own sentences. It should be like conversation, not like just sentences like question answer, like that. So you entered the doctor room and you wish the doctor asked about your problem, you explained him and he asked some other questions to know about the exact problem and he gave medicine and everything. So how he is prescribed and what are the things to be taken care he advised. So all those things try to write it as a discussion, doctor patient, like that. So that's all about day 5 of week 7. Let's continue this journey. Until then, thank you.